how to add skills on your profile on Upwork. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to Upwork. This is the homepage as you can see right here. Now go to the top here, or you can click here, or just click on your profile here. After you go to your profile, just scroll down like this until you find this skills option. Now here click on this one and you can add your skills, for example editor, and click, for example, add another one, designer, as you can see, and click save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.